What's up guys, today we'll be unboxing fragrance. As you can see, got this from my friend, actually got a very good deal on it. This is Office for Men for by Fragrance One, and those who don't know, it's Jeremy Fragrance's brand. One of the most controversial figures in the Fragcom. But yeah, this is a 50 ml. My friend got it in a BOGO sale from when he was in the US, so yeah, he sold it to me with a friendship discount, so to speak. Anyways, let's go through the packaging. These are infamous for having quite shitty packaging, but the juice is supposed to be quite potent. Anyway, yeah, there's nothing up top. So the Office for Men, shape of the bottle, I assume. EDP natural spray, 50 ml, 1.7. Nothing on the sides or back. Oh yeah, there is Fragrance One, made in Germany. What else? Just the ingredients. Batch code, it's 2170. The website, barcode, regulatory stuff basically. Yeah, so let's get to the unboxing. Just grab my unboxing knife real quick. All I know about this is it has monstrous projection and excellent longevity. I'm not one to criticize people over their personal choices in life, but as long as the fragrance is good, I don't care who it's from. Yeah, so this is a glossy part. Reminds me of a tester box more than anything. Let's get into it. Not some amazing packaging or something. Yeah, nothing else inside the box. This doesn't come out. That's about it. Technically, this is a niche fragrance brand, so quite poor, I guess, packaging wise. Skewed limit 50 ml bottle. HD18, whatever that means. The concentration, batch number, name of the company, the country where it was made. This is made by Alberto Morillas, same person behind Acqua di Chio Profumo and other legendary fragrances. This is Office for Men. Looks like a pebble. Pretty cheap plastic cap. Nothing great about it. As you can see, I can bend it with a bit of force. There's nothing inside it either. No collar. Yeah, whatever. Reminds me of the molecule oval fragrances. Nothing great. Anyway, let's see. Decent atomizer, not the best. As you can see, it spreads out a lot of juice. So it smells, it's quite strong. It smells similar to Aventus. It has a lot of ambroxing from what I'm picking up. It's similar to Dior Sauvage, maybe. Yeah, the EDT definitely. There's hints of it. So the pineapple is not there. The Aventus is pineapple, but it's like if you take the ambroxan and fresh part of Dior Sauvage and just mix it with the Aventus. That is what this is. Anyway, that's it. Aventus-ish, Dior Sauvage-ish fragrance. Not bad at all. Quite strong. As you can see, the mist is quite visible. yeah, I mean, not worth the price what they were quoting on previously when the brand was launched, but you can get it at a good price, why not? Also, the bot is somewhat see-through. I assumed it was opaque, but not, as you can see. Well, that's about it. Gotta clean the table now. Anyway, like and subscribe.